I'll be coming back in 2027 or wherever you call the election. Na jaribu kunizuia tena. May the Lord help you to learn to forgive. Niliwasamehe, kuna mengi nilisamehe, IBC na Chebukati, na nikasamehe mpaka na Ruto na Raila kwa kuni-ignore. So they like my music, but they don't like what happened to me. The third thing, nitapita kwa haraka. If there is anything this country needs, we need genuine faith in God. We need God badly. Na naomba kwamba Mungu atusaidie tumtafute Mungu kwa roho zetu zote. Bila hiyo hatuendi mahali. Time has come for us to stop using the name of God for convenience, hata kwa siasa. Because everybody says God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. We want to know Jesus, we want to know Him in the heart, and live in obedience to Him.